Some plumbing repairs are best left to licensed professionals because the risks, code requirements, and potential damage can multiply quickly. Start by knowing your limits. Clearing a minor sink trap or replacing a faucet cartridge is generally safe, but work that touches gas, venting, or the main sewer line is not a do-it-yourself task. Gas line work demands leak testing with calibrated equipment and knowledge of local code, proper thread sealants, and pressure ratings, and even a small mistake can lead to fire or carbon monoxide exposure. Major sewer line blockages often signal tree root intrusion or collapsed piping that requires camera inspection, mechanical augers sized to the line, and sometimes trenchless lining, which you cannot do with store chemicals or small hand snakes. Water heater replacements that change pipe diameter, add or move venting, or switch between fuel types involve combustion air calculations, draft testing, expansion tank sizing, and bonding of metallic water lines. Any job that needs a permit, like relocating fixtures, adding a bathroom, or replacing a main shutoff, includes plan review and inspections to ensure backflow protection, proper pipe support, and pressure balancing. A reliable rule of thumb is this: if the repair involves gas, venting, sewer lateral, structural modifications, or the main water supply, call a pro and focus your do-it-yourself efforts on small, accessible fixtures and maintenance. 3 common problems trip people up. First, they underestimate code requirements and skip permits, which can void insurance and force rework when selling the home. The fix is simple. Call your local building department before starting and hire a licensed plumber for any permitted task. Second, they mix incompatible materials and connectors, like screwing galvanized steel into copper without a dielectric union, leading to galvanic corrosion and leaks. Use proper transition fittings and follow manufacturer charts for thread types and sealants. Third, they try heavy chemical drain openers on a main clog, which can damage pipes and create hazardous splashback when a plumber arrives. Choose mechanical clearing for small drains, and if multiple fixtures back up at once, stop and schedule a professional. We built bighomeprojects.com to make it easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors for specialized plumbing work and jobs that require permits. We also help contractors connect with new customers and participate in our discussion community where people share experiences, ask questions, and learn from each other.